Today we're celebrating Halloween on the high seas for the very first time. We're on the Disney Treasure and today's another sea day. Come with us as we go trick-or-treating on a cruise ship for the first time, try so many amazing foods, and you'll even see us test our luck at cruise ship bingo. If you're new to our channel, we're Derek and Cole. We like to travel, tour, and explore new things each and every week.
Today is day 5 on the Disney Treasure. We kicked off this morning with some breakfast, so I'll show you what we got.
Marceline Market is such a great place to grab breakfast because they have something for everyone. Options range from Mickey waffles to egg fried rice, breakfast potatoes, and even charcuterie items.
And now we are out on deck for playing some shuffleboard. It's gonna be Halloween on the high seas today, so everyone's gonna be in their costumes later tonight. There's kind of like trick-or-treating where you can go get a candy bag. We have dinner again tonight, and a lot of activities today. Today is the big mega jackpot bingo, so I think we're gonna try to play that. They have a lot of different drawing classes, arts and crafts classes today. Like I said, all the Halloween festivities. I might go into one of the gift shops and try to buy a t-shirt or something today as well, or I don't know, maybe I'll wait till tomorrow at Castaway Cay for a t-shirt, but we're gonna start playing some shuffleboard and I'm gonna just kind of take you along with us. Again, hopefully we have another great, amazing day here on the Disney Treasure. Oh, no points for him. No, it's on the line. It can't be on the line. Oh, sure. Of course I wasn't filming, but Derek has a 7 and then I knocked another one of his in the 7, so now he has 19 points and is winning. So we're ready to start our coloring and make our little craft. And Derek goes, why are there 3 pumpkins? I was like, Derek, do you know where we are? We are on a Disney cruise. There's 3 pumpkins because it's Minnie Mouse. So stinking cute.
That is such a nice Disney cruise. You can't beat the hospitality.
Oh my God, no. The hospitality is
gosh,
so
awesome.
nice here. Okay, don't mind all of our clothes in the background. Derek's gonna take out. So what do we get? A big bag of popcorn. That's so fun. We'll have to do a taste test of that. Okay, what do we have? A mini Rice Krispie treat. Oh my gosh. And a chocolate covered Rice Krispie treat. And what is it? Is it sparkling wine, regular wine? Sarah Jessica Parker wine. That is
It's
fun.
kind of funny because we go down to Asheville quite a bit, and at the Biltmore, my favorite wine there is Sauvignon Blanc.
There we go. Perfect. Disney Cruise Line. Who's it from? The guest service team. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me read this. So cute.
And even though we just ate breakfast, we did make our way back up to Marceline Market to grab some fun desserts. Again, they always have so many options to choose from, and all the great snacks is one of the best perks about cruising.
Hello everyone, welcome to Sarabi Lounge and welcome to our final session of bingo for the cruise. Who's ready to get started?
Okay, will we be lucky?
Today, because
Probably
it's our
not.
Halloween on the high seas day.
order that
See,
first.
we are wearing these lovely outfits.
Someone upstairs won.
Hate this game.
We're so terrible. We have like none.
Double check. Everybody.
We were only 2 away and someone got bingo.
So I can guarantee that all cruise long, after that snowball jackpot has been building and building and building, it is over $12. If you're ready to get started with our final game of bingo, let me hear you say, let's get ready to rumble. And sure enough, that is wrong.
We're 4 away, but someone
Thank
just
you all
won the
so
snowball
much for joining us for bingo
jackpot.
all cruise long. Thank you, yes. I hope you guys had a good time. I know I
Okay, I'm happy for them, sad for us. Okay, so we're on the top deck right now for trick-or-treating. We got our little trick-or-treat bags, so they have Tron and Vampirina on them. It's super loud up here, so I'll talk to you down below, but they have some candy in. And then I do think there might be some other trick-or-treat spots, so I'll show you those as well. It's really kind of loud and bumping up here, so we might go get in line and see if there's another like trick-or-treat spot we can go to. Okay, so note to self, once you get your treat bag, just keep walking forward, and then there'll be different stalls for candy where they'll fill up your bag. We didn't realize that. We did like a huge circle. So grab your bag and then just keep going forward, and then they'll put more treats in your bag. We'll film it once we get up there. Okay, we're gonna get our first treats. a little closer up. And again, we're up on the 11th deck by the Festival of Foods. And we're just kind of doing a big circle. We came in by Marceline Market, and that's where they gave us our treat bags. And then there's a couple other little treat places to fill them up. Okay, so we're on our third candy stop.
I think I got a Snicker finally.
Ooh, okay, our third candy stop was a success. I think we might have one more. I think this might be it then. But this was fun. It's kind of nice that they do a loop around the pool deck for all the kids so the parents don't want to wait in line. Our fourth and final treat is coming up. Hi, thank you. Thank you. Derek does not have a costume on, and they keep not giving him a whole lot of candy. So I think that is a life lesson. Make sure you wear your costume or you're not going to get a lot of candy like me. Ooh, okay. Honestly, I just told Derek we're gonna have to put this candy in our carry-on because my suitcases are gonna be so full and heavy. We might have to buy an extra suitcase. So, or we're gonna need to eat this candy before we go home.
Thank you. Absolutely.
Hi, thank you. Okay, so we just got more candy. I think this is our 5th little spot. So we're gonna have a lot of candy, and I think we're gonna have to give back a lot of this candy to some other kids. But it's kind of fun to come film, show you guys what we're up to.
Hello, sir.
Hi, thank you. Thank you. Oh, I think we have one more possibly. Oh, I think we just got Lorcana cards. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Who is that? Let's see. Let me see yours.
Yeah,
Oh, is she from Emperor's New Groove, I think. But yeah, how cute. I can't wait to open these and see what's inside them.
Shaking just like Donald. Oh yeah. Let me see you shake it. Let me see you shake it and shake it. Let me see you robot. 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 3, 2, 1, go! All the way across the stage. And back.
Okay, so we are in the main hall right now, dressed up for Halloween. I decided to go as Princess Jasmine. You can see Raja here right behind me, but we're gonna go grab a drink hopefully at the Scat Cat Lounge really quick before dinner. But everyone is in their Halloween finest. Here's the full outfit. Love that we're on the ship for Halloween, and we'll take you along with us to dinner tonight. We already went trick-or-treating. There's another Halloween party, and hopefully get some Halloween pictures.
I wanted a moment just to honor you today. The rest of the family doesn't really get it. I mean, how do you really tell people you went to the land of the dead and had a whole adventure with your great-great-grandfather without them looking at you like you're crazy? That day changed my life. Remember me, although I have from far, remember me. Each time you hear a sad guitar, remember me. The strings, they are all broken. What happened?
What did I tell you about that song, chamaco?
Y Papa Hector!
In the flesh! Well, not in the flesh, but will you get the gist?
Can you see them? See? And you all, can you see them too? I don't understand.
You really have to stop taking things off the ofrenda, Miguel.
Hey, but cut him some slack. Today is Dia de Muertos, and now we can celebrate together.
You've got a point. How often do we all get to be together like this?
Not often enough.
Well then, I suggest we celebrate everything we can while we have the chance. Dia de Muertos for sure, but also birthdays and anniversaries.
You remember.
So for my salad tonight, I got the watermelon, orange, and jicama salad with a lime sugar dressing. I thought this was really refreshing. It was more of a fruit salad than a traditional appetizer salad, but I really, really loved it. For my appetizer, I went with a shrimp dish again. So it was Hector Riviera's sweet shrimp cocktail with salsa picante, orange lime, tomatoes, and cilantro. And Derek decided to go with the red chicken enchiladas. He was served 2 of them with red enchilada sauce and cheese. But the real star of dinner tonight was my entree, the blistered poblano pepper. It had cheese, mushrooms, spinach, green rice, and a lime crema sauce.
Definitely be careful if you don't like spice because this is spicy.
It's important to note that on your second night dining in the Coco restaurant, they're going to be celebrating Dia de los Muertos. This is a super energetic, fun dining show to go to, but just keep that in mind. It's definitely not going to be a quiet dining experience. And of course, we couldn't finish out the night without getting one of the classic desserts. So we got the cappuccino creme brulee cheesecake, which was amazing. It was caramelized coffee creme brulee with baked vanilla cheesecake. A 10 out of 10 for sure.
Papa and Dora and I are always with you. Even when you can't see us, you take a little of us everywhere you go.
So, everyone, on Dia de Muertos, we celebrate our loved ones.
Okay, so we just got out of dinner at Coco, and tonight is Halloween, so everyone's dressed up. I really loved my food at Coco tonight. It was really great. The show was really great. I think the second night show that you go to Coco is a little bit better than the first night. The grandma and grandfather come out and they are like in their kind of skeleton costumes, which I think is really fun. Derek, how did you like your
show
dinner?
was definitely better.
Yeah, the show was really
I think the
good.
food was better too. I don't know. This is probably my favorite, I think, meal so far maybe.
Yeah, I think
like overall.
I think the food was a lot
Yeah.
better tonight. Not that the other food was bad. I
Yeah.
just really, really liked the food on the second night.
Yeah.
I ate my whole dinner because it was so good. I give it a thumbs up. Yeah, I think it was really great. Wait staff again was great. There's kind of like a Halloween picture ball happening right now. So we're in the Grand Hall taking some pictures, but overall another really, really great day. Is this our 5th day
Yeah,
on the
5.
treasure?
Yeah, so tomorrow will be 6.
Yeah, we've been doing so much, I'm really losing track of the days. We've just done so many things and we're having such a great time.
Does he have a good start? Because this is like a really good food.
costume fashion show was definitely a highlight of our day. Some of the costumes were so incredibly elaborate. I don't know how people pack these and fit them in their luggage to bring on a Disney cruise. The 4 of us didn't participate in the fashion show, but it was really fun to just grab a drink and watch everyone strut their stuff in their favorite Halloween costumes. And if you want to participate, they do give out a prize at the end for the very best costume. And if I haven't mentioned it, we dressed up as Jasmine and Genie from the movie Aladdin. This was my favorite Disney movie growing up. We decided to hang out in the Grand Hall for a little bit after the fashion show to get some pictures with the Jasmine and Aladdin statue. They also have this beautiful mosaic of Raja. Okay, so we came back from dinner tonight, and again, 5th night on the Disney Treasure, and we have a flying bat. So you can see these are like its wings, its little head, its little arms right there. The Tao animals are seriously so cute that they leave in the room. Okay, so this is gonna wrap up our first ever Halloween at sea on the Disney Treasure. If you love Disney and Halloween, I definitely recommend booking one of these cruises. If you like videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and look out for our next video when we go to Castaway Cay. Thanks for watching, bye guys.